Welcome to my new class. You can speak English fluently with confidence. Today I would like to share you one more tip for improving your fluency in English. We all are using social medias like Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram every day for hours, especially for entertainment. Why don't we think about using this social media for improving our English? What is to be done? While we are grabbing through the Facebook, we have to search some keywords on the search bar. What is to be searched? Especially for speaking skills in English. Then different types of pages regarding the speaking English, English lovers, how to improve our fluency, especially for pronunciation, etc. will be appeared on the Facebook wall. Try to follow all these pages as much as possible. After following such pages, whenever you take your Facebook and watching through it, such pages will appear before you just for minutes. There is a tendency for hearing or listening or watching such videos 1 or 2 minutes every time, different times in a particular day. That will improve our fluency. What will happen after that? Whenever we take our Facebook and grabbing for entertainment, the videos of English that will appear before us, then there is a tendency will be generated to watch it for 1 minute or 2 minutes each and every time. Definitely that will continue for a long time, and it will be a habit of watching 1 or 2 minutes every time we use Facebook. That will improve our fluency. Different types of speeches, different types of news, especially from India Today, CNB channels will appear before us. That will prompt us to take 1 or 2 minutes for listening it. That will improve our fluency. Different types of interviews, different types of speeches, different types of pronunciation are available on Facebook, and we are compelled to watch it for 1 or 2 minutes each and every time whenever we take the Facebook. Then the same is also happened on Instagram. Having an Instagram, we have to follow such pages that prompt us to learn and listen from these pages. Then what about the WhatsApp? It's a wonderful medium of instruction. You have to create a group for English lovers, joining with your friends who love English, who are ready to speak anything in English, this group, and you send some record and send some messages to this group every day, more than once. If one day nobody comes to this group, you assume one person to put a particular subject in this group, and you have to say your decisions, your opinion about that subject in this group, and some people may agree or disagree on this. That will ultimately lead to a mutual talk, and that will improve your fluency, it's sure. So use these social media devices for educational purpose. That will improve your fluency. ഈ വാട്സപ്പും അതുപോലെ ഫേസ്ബുക്കും ഇൻസ്റ്റഗ്രാമും വളരെ സുഗമമായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഫ്ലുവൻസി വർദ്ധിപ്പിക്കുന്നതിന് ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ സാധിക്കും. ട്രൈ ഇറ്റ് അഗെയിൻ ആൻഡ് അഗെയിൻ.